What if I told you that with just a single skein of yarn and one afternoon you would create a fair family heirloom? Most people think crochet baby shoes are just cute, but today I am showing you the design that looks so professional, people won't believe you made them at home. From tiny vintage style Mary Janes to rugged little timber boots, we are counting down 10 designs that ranges from beginner friendly to advanced masterpieces. And stick around until the end because I am going to share the secret to get the perfect non-slip sole every time. Let's start with the basic design. Number 1, the classic button strap booty. This is bread and butter of baby crochet. It's a great project for practicing your shape. Design number 2, the vintage Mary Jane. If you want something feminine, this is it. Think soft cotton yarn, a tiny pearl button, or maybe a sculpted edge. These are perfect for christening a newborn photo shoot. Pro tip here is when making these, use 100% cotton yarn. It holds the shape much better than an acrylic, which can get a bit floppy on tiny fits. Moving on to the designs. Design number 3 is the baby sneaker. This is where you can get creative. Use a white yarn for the sole and a vibrant primary color for the body to mimic those famous high top. It's all about the detail here. Adding real lace makes them look incredibly high-end. Design number 4, the boho moccasins. These are the great because they are gender neutral. Use mustard or rust color yarn and add some fringes around the ankle. Design number 5 is the loafers. They are surprisingly easy. They use a basic oval shape and simple flap over the top, perfect for that little man aesthetic. Now let's have some fun design. Number 6, the bunny slipper. This is the fan favorite for the Easter of baby showers. The magic here is long, floppy, stitched onto the bridge of the foot. Design number 7, the little bear booty. Use a fuzzy velvet or chenille yarn for this incredibly soft against the baby skin and give the teddy bear texture without an extra effort. Design number 8, the dinosaur sompers. Add 3 little triangle spikes down the heel. It's small detail that makes a huge impact for a themed nursery gift. Design 9 is the Oxford Big Tip and number 10 is the winter shell boot, perfect for those cold weather babies. Which of these